Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, once again, and now for the third little indie game for this evening. So, Murder at Masquerade Manor didn't work out so well. It was a very interesting game, a lot of potential. Now, this one I'm a bit more intrigued by, a bit more my speed, perhaps. This is Roguelight, a game by Daniel Linson, audio by Jonathan Tree. Looks like a much more ironically polished game. Apparently, you can fire arrows, so let's see. Is that everything I can do? Just fire the arrows like that? Okay, so I can jump like that, I can fire the arrows. Do I run out of arrows? This is important to know. No, okay, so that's interesting. Oh, I can run out of arrows. Okay, that's bad. Okay, let's die. There's a die button in this game, that's useful. I've got no money, so there's nothing worth buying. Oh god, and I just exited the game. I feel sick. Yeah, kinda comes in this tiny Neo vision. Oh, I've still got the, so everything ticked. Oh my god. I tick the things. There we go. See if you can resize that while keeping some kind of aspect ratio. Oh, okay, that's not what I wanted at all. That's nor is that what I wanted. There we go. Okay, so I have a limited number of arrows. That is not so great. Level 1, and there's a guy there. Can I shoot him? Reminds that lady from Banner Saga. Is that a good thing or is it a bad thing? It's a good thing. Let's say good. Let's go explore a bit. Oh god! So apparently the lights go out, that's good to know. And apparently I can die from falling, so that is also good to know. I got 5 monies, so let's buy some stuff. Socks, skin, or shoe, belt, gloves. Okay, everything is a longbow. 1+1 arrow speed? Okay, let's go for that. Okay, those are things that hurt me. Can I pick this up? Oh, so I can only carry 4 arrows at a time, and those are arrows. Okay. That's interesting to know. So I'm running over all the time. Oh, what just happened? I don't even know what killed me. Okay. Okay. So the arrows are the source of light as well as being the weapon, which is interesting. Because it means you have to kind of... What's the word? Not squander. The opposite of squander. And the arrows do go out eventually, which is interesting. Can I shoot from here? Yeah! Pro shot. Don't like how far I've come. Nor do I like the fact my arrow went out. Oh. Running out of arrows, that is a very bad thing, so hopefully I can find some arrows before I have to fire my last arrow. Because that would be bad. Very bad, in fact. And hurt myself, which is equally bad. Okay, this is a dead end. And no arrows are going out. Okay, that's a thing. Down to my last arrow. That is not so great. At least I got a heart, so there's that. Nope, dead end. Poop. Maybe I can get up there. That'd be a good place to go. Hang on. Up in here, across to here, across to here. I think I saw arrows. That's pretty awesome. Can I relight the arrow? No, probably not. I can still see sort of in the dark here. So even though I can't really see in colour, I can see a little bit. That's interesting. Can I make this? Eh. But it was pointless. Okay. Here, up here. Getting super lost though. I'm not sure if there is a way forward. Why is this going out when the other ones didn't? Maybe I'll wait for my night sight to come on? Okay, so the longer I'm in the dark, the more I can see. But if I come into light and go out again, do I still see? Yeah, that's interesting. Okay, well I can't go this way. No matter what would be an ideal situation. So let's go back, see if we can find another way through. That's a bear. Well, it's not worth my heart getting that thing, so I'm not even gonna bother. That coin. Ah, I can't see a damn thing. Really, there's not much to do but hover around until you can see them more. Backtracking some severely here, unfortunately. I don't really like how I have to do this. Oh! Next level? Level 3. Oh, I didn't even realize you got into level 2. Oh, cool. Damn it! At least I know if my arrows run out, it's not the end of the world. Well, if the arrows run out, it is the end of the world, but, oh goodness. It is certainly dark in here. Ah, goodness. Patience appears to be the key, unfortunately. Oh, hang on. Ah, I can't take my finger off the button. Okay, next time I take a finger off the button, I'll have to sort of thing out. I can't see the chat. Not that there's anyone there, but, you know. There's that guy again. Yeah, I'm just going to give him wide berth. But he doesn't seem keen to give me a wide berth! That was super dangerous. But I handled it like the pro actor I am and jumped onto some spikes, because, you know, I'm like that. Well, at least now I can at least afford... I can afford some upgrades. Right, let's get rid of this. Get rid of that, get rid of that. And we're back. 30 coins. Get more health. Minus on enemies. Plus 1 jump height. Minus 1 damage of spikes. That'd be handy, actually. Plus 1 jump height. What can I afford? Yeah, I can afford swing boots. Double jump would be really nice. Will the wisp, who even knows? Plus 1 coins from lanterns? I can break lanterns, I guess. Plus 1 coins from enemies. These seem like really good things to take. As they kind of double up on coins. I'm being spoken to. Get rid of that. Look at that there. Pardon that interruption. What have we got here? Magic arrow, 5% chance of the arrow, that's really poor. 10% chance of 2 arrows, okay. 10% chance for okay. Arrow speed, arrow brightness, oil tip, curved bow, minzone tip. Okay, plus 1 arrow, plus 1 arrows. I'm gonna get the money's one. Alright, so let's give this another go. Let's see what I can find. Ooh. Nice. Okay, more. It was a waste of an arrow, but I needed to know for future reference. This guy down here, I'll shoot him because, ooh. Nice. Because I need the monies, basically. Oh no! Monies! Yeah. Lantern up there, I don't think I'd reach it. Ooh! Eggs, apparently. Level 2, right, well... Ooh, coins. Don't mind if I do. Aha. That's a bad thing, because I just straight up ran out of arrows. And I walked onto some spikes. There's some arrows there though, so that was nice. 23. Someone on brightness. Plus 1 from enemies. I don't know if I have it. Oh well, whatever. I think I need more coins though. Oops. Pop. Yeah. Doing well so far. Whoa! You thought you could get the drop on me, but no, I got the drop on him. Yeah. And I lost all my arrows. Okay. That was not smart of me in the slightest. Okay, so basically the thing is, you've kind of got to keep that last arrow, no matter what else is going on. Because without it, you can't see well, can't see Jack. Oh, those are spikes. I was jumping on some more spikes. Also, it would appear that money doesn't, like, accumulate, so you have to get all the money in one round to get it. Okay. That's fine, I suppose. So it means... I didn't mean to press the button. That's annoying. Oh, so I didn't get the upgrade earlier that I had enough money for. That's really annoying. Because I was pushing the wrong button. I'm pushing a different button. Oh, no! Right, so now I just straight up have to hold on to this arrow until I get him. Excellent. Elite strats. So where's that? Here on the GSUF channel. I don't even think it's called GSUF channel on Hitbox. I don't know what it's called on Hitbox, but there you go. Okay. I'm a terrible Let's Player and I make no illusions of this fact. I need to go away and jump back. Nearly went on the spikes. Yep. Nice level transition though. Woo! That was silly. On several levels. Okay, so I'm down to my last arrow. Can't really afford not to use it. So I'm just gonna have to avoid these guys. Until that bro kills me. Okay. So I can just straight buy something and I think it will. Hey, I bought something. Excellent. I actually remembered to do it this time. Okay, so I actually now got more coins from lanterns. That is a good thing. Progress! Give me your monies. My monies. No! This guy disagrees. I disagree with him. That was silly. No, I'm gonna die. Especially as I just wasted some arrows. Well, I say wasted. I use them for a good cause and all that. Can I jump this guy? Yep. We were just focusing on collecting coins until when he's in position. Now I can't see a damn thing. Okay. Level 2, that's nice. Nice ice getting better, got some health, that's awesome. And I wasted an arrow. Well, never mind, there's some arrow over here. There's a guy over there, I don't like the look of him in the slightest. Boop. Getting some nice coins! Coinage is all mine! Oops. Can't get that, never mind. Can't ever get this. Boop. And this guy over there is going to make my life difficult. So I'm just going to shoot that thing and run out of arrows because I am an idiot. Oh no! Oh no! Okay, I'm in a really bad situation. Oh no! Ah! Oh! Pfft, never mind. Oh well, that was fun. Okay, so where are we at? Time-wise? Health. I just need more money. So I think I'm going to buy this one. Eee. Plus one coin, okay. So these things give you more coins. They'll basically like compound how much money you get and make all this stuff more worth getting. More worth getting? Is that even English? I don't even know anymore. It's been a long day for me, guys. Well, they usually are. So you'll have to forgive my complete inability to speak. I good words. I good with words. I good words. Pop! Moving on swiftly. I really just want to get these things. I want to get you as well. But that's my last arrows, so I'm going to have to make this one count. Extra nice with arrows, which I can. There. Arrows. Let's jam. Pop. Oh, for... Nope. I'd be concerned about that beep, which usually indicates that the fact the stream has dropped, if there was anyone watching the stream. There is not, so I don't care. Maha! But, yeah, I've said it before, I'll say it again, I do these things for me. I love me, I'm a selfish guy. Level 2. Oh, spikes there, I didn't notice. It's very easy to miss these things, which is probably a good thing, really. Get lots of money, and shoot you in the face. Shoot that in the face. I ran out of arrows because I got greedy. Well, therein lies the lesson. Whoop! Arrows! Do these ones drop money? Yes, they do. Interesting. Not so much the other ones, but, you know, it's still something. Ah! Spikes! Why are you so mean to me? And presumably to everyone else. Maybe no monsters though, because these games are weird. Level 3, okay, I'm going to hold on a little bit. Because there's a guy floating down there and I don't really want him to see me. Excellent. 37 money is pretty nice. So I believe... what was it called? Rogue's Legacy? Or something? Had a similar kind of system that when you did runs, all the money you had could be bought on equipment afterwards. And, yeah. Oh, something bad's happening. I was on spikes. That was terrible. Okay, so I got 38. I don't have enough money for the more coins things, which is good because now I can actually buy other things. Arrow brightness would be pretty nice. Don't need arrow speed, to be honest. More arrows would be nice. More health would be, last longer. Stuff call. Let's get this one. Hang on, what have we got? 38, so that's 10, 12, so that's 22. Okay. Either +1 arrow speed, 5% of free arrow, or health. I'll get health. And +1 arrow. Hey, everything's worked out. Now I'm getting the upgrades. Nice. Right, how are things looking? Now that I'm, like, totally elite. I'll go back and get those arrows I saw earlier. I like the protagonists in this. You don't see a lot of lady protagonists. You really need to see more of that kind of thing in these games. That, that just looks like a person. It's a very relatable character. Oh, I'm just outright failing. There is no other way to describe the state I am currently in. Can't get up there, so I'm just gonna jump in here, get that heart, jump there, get a coin. Presumably this next level. Have to bear with me a moment while I get my bearings. Pop. Pop. Got him. Ooh. Spike. Being a bit reckless with arrows, but it's Mars about over here, so I am unconcerned. Ooh, I've got to really be careful before I leap. This looks kind of familiar. Yeah, it looks super familiar. I suppose after all these oh dear. These places, oh my god, really? That isn't even worth the 3 arrows it cost me to get it. I didn't even get 2 coins from it, which is deeply annoying. This is my last arrow, so I can't waste it on killing monsters, which is unfortunate because they're going to kill me. 1 arrow? I'm going to hang it out here for a little while so I can actually see more than my immediate surroundings. Oh dear. So this game promotes cautious play, and I stepped right into the spike after hanging out for so long. Well, let's see, 10% of 2 arrows, plus 1 brightness, that's pretty nice. Plus 1 arrows, that's 18, that'll leave me with 15. Okay. Nice. Tactical purchasing. Right, let's do this. So far, I'm kind of liking this game. It's a very simple game. It's a very interesting concept. I dig it. I like the art design as well, and the sound design. I'm basically just liking this game. Maybe I should just leave it at that. Don't go up there, you fool! Naturally, all the coins landed directly onto the spikes. Can I get up there? I don't think I can get up there. Can I get up there? No, I can't. I cannot get up there. Pardon me. And pop. Oh no! He got me. A coin, that's very nice. Another coin, that's also pretty nice. Tactical killing means I still feel arrows. Oh, I must have done that one. Okay, never mind. I've been this way before. Ah, so it lights the lantern when I hit it. That's level 1? What? I thought it was on a later level. Oh, that's interesting. This must be where I landed, which means I backtracked something awful. Which is, in of itself, really concerning. Stay down here, there's bound to be a way down somewhere. Now is this? Nope. Maybe I'm full of crap. Maybe I should have went over. Ah, there we go. Nice. Ah! Let's stop jumping on spikes, shall we? I know it's a lot of fun, but sometimes you just gotta leave the spikes alone. It's just sensible, good practice. Costs a fortune for shoes. A fortune on shoes, if nothing else. Nope, next level already. There we go. Sometimes it takes ages, sometimes it doesn't take any time at all. It cannot really be predicted. I shoot you. Down to my last arrow, gotta be careful with this one. Careful like not getting these guys killing me. Oop. Can't really kill that guy. I can't really see him either. Well, next level. Any chance for some arrows? Some arrows would be great. Oh my god, really? I just had to take that hit, and that hit too. Ah, there comes a point where you just gotta go, okay, this is a hit I can take. Arrows last. Ooh. Not really where I want to go. And there's one of the flying monsters. Get them both in one shot, which is pretty nice. Down to the last arrow once again, but we're on to the next level. We've got a decent amount of money under our belt now. Oh, goodness! No, 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 no! I panicked and did something stupid. As is the way. Okay, what do we want? Don't run out for more brightness, which sucks. 23 plus 38. I could probably afford more arrows. That'd be pretty neat. Then again, less damage from spikes would also be pretty neat. And more jumping. And more health. A lot of these would be pretty neat. Let's get this money one. That one's a decent purchase. What else can I afford? Absolutely nothing. That's disappointing. Oh well. Whoops. Oh no! Yeah, I'm playing really reckless now. I've kind of grown tired of this game a little bit. I mean, it's quite fun. It's quite good. It's just, you know, very, very long evening, folks. I think I'm beginning to get a little bit tired. Can I get out this way? No, probably not. How about this way? Ah, right, I'm going to kill myself. Boop. It's actually really depressing. Right, what can I afford? Can I afford anything? No, I cannot. Oh, that's actually a good sign. I've got to the point where I can't play easily. What's this one require? 75, okay. Oh, I exited by accident. Okay, well, that was Roguelite. A pretty neat game, I have to say. I really like the look of it. I highly recommend that one. I had another indie game lined up, but it's looking like a quiet night. I don't really have anyone watching, so I might save that for next time. I'll save that for next time for a more maybe focused evening. It's a horror game. It's a horror game, so it could have been a little bit horrible, a little bit nasty. But for now, I'm going to take another quick break, and then I might just play something for myself. Back to the good old days where it was just me having a bit of a game. So I will be right back, guys. Ta-ta.